In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for retail promotion timing fast and easy. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, understanding how to leverage Google Trends can significantly enhance your promotional strategies by pinpointing the perfect time to launch your retail campaigns. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and search for Google Trends. Give a click on the top link that appears in the search results. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage, where a world of data is at your fingertips. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate the Explore option, usually prominently displayed. Clicking on this opens up numerous tools at your disposal for analysis. Here is where the magic starts. In the search bar, type in products, categories, or keywords relevant to your retail business. For instance, you might want to explore keywords like smartphones, winter coats, home decor, or even event-specific terms like Black Friday deals. This helps focus your data on areas most pertinent to your business needs. After entering your keywords, hit the Enter key to see an array of data appearing on your screen. Now it's time to optimize this data for your specific needs. To ensure the information is as accurate and relevant as possible, set your filters. Pay close attention to the location filter, where you can choose your target country, region, or city. These settings help tailor your insights to specific geographical audiences. Likewise, adjust the time range. For instance, examine the past 12 months of data to dig into seasonal trends, or look at the past 5 years to spot recurring patterns or spikes. Also, don't forget to select an appropriate category like shopping, or a category that suits your industry best. Now focus on the interest over time graph that appears. This visual representation is crucial for understanding how interest in your chosen keywords fluctuates throughout the year. Rising trends suggest products or categories that are rapidly gaining popularity, while noticeable spikes in interest can highlight ideal opportunities for timed promotions, such as holidays or major sales events like Back to School or Black Friday. Meanwhile, declining trends might indicate products that could underperform, prompting a reassessment of their promotional priorities. Next, scroll down to investigate related topics and queries. The Rising section reveals hot trends or seasonal searches, potentially highlighting emerging opportunities. Meanwhile, the Top section displays consistently searched products or categories offering stable promotional options. Finally, consider comparing multiple products or categories by clicking the plus Compare button. This feature allows you to add 2 to 5 products or categories to analyze which has the highest interest level. It's a fantastic way to focus your energy on offerings that exhibit either growing or sustained search demand. And there you have it. By using Google Trends effectively, you've just equipped yourself with valuable insights to enhance your retail promotional timing and strategy.